Hello, this is Rowdy Chemist Jr. bringing you another quick bit video on dimensional analysis, in particular, conversions. So before we begin our problem, a little bit of background information, because this is what I love to do. And we're back, let's imagine we're back in the upside down world. The unit of length there that they use is the rectum. A demobat has a surface area of 2.8 times 10 to the 10th squared Orc rectum. What is the surface area of the demobat in squared tech rectum? So again, by no means do these units have anything to do with the actual show, as you can see from the disclaimer back there, but just to kind of give it a little bit of sauciness to it, a spice as well. So we're given the equalities of our units here, and there are many different ways to approach this type of problem, but I'm going to do it one particular method. If you do it another method and reach the same goal, by all means, go ahead. So first we need a little plan of action. So in our plan of action, we're going to start with the prefix unit, which is similar to our metric units. We're going to take that prefix unit, convert it to the base unit. And generally, the base unit is going to be the second letter of the unit because these resemble metric units. And then from the base unit, we're going to convert to the other prefix. Now, if you notice here, these units are squared and the equalities given to us are not squared. So the first thing we have to do is square the equalities. So when we square the equalities, it's very important not only to square the unit, of course, but also the exponent power. Remember, when you raise a power to a power, or you raise an exponent to a power, you multiply the two to get the resulting exponent power. So now we have the equalities for the two units in their squared terms. So next we need to get the conversion factors, and remember that with each equality you get two conversion factors. So for example, we can get the conversion factor from orc rectum over reptum, or rectum over orc rectum, and the same for tech rectum as well. So every equality gives you two conversion factors. Depending on what you start with and what you end with determines which one you use. So now that we have our conversion factors, we can begin our steps here. So step one, we're going to convert from the prefix to the base unit. So we bring our orc rectum down squared down to this railroad tracks. And since we're starting with the prefix here, orc rectum, and we want to go from orc rectum to rectum, we need to choose the one with the conversion factor with rectum on top, or rectum squared on top, and orc rectum squared on the bottom. So we're going to choose this conversion factor here and place it here. And the reason we do this is so that now the orc rectum squared units cancel out. And remember, when we multiply two numbers, we add the exponents to get the exponents' powers to get the resulting power. So it's 2.8 times 10 to the negative 4 rectum squared. So we're going to take this number here and use it in step 2. So in step 2, we're going to go from the base unit to the prefix. So we need to select the conversion factor that has the prefix on top and the base unit on the bottom. So we use our answer from step 1. Now we're going to use this second conversion factor, which is tech rectum squared over rectum squared. And again, this is so that the rectum squared cancel out. Remember, when you divide, you subtract exponents, and we get the resulting power of 10 to the negative 14. So in 2.8 times 10 to the 10th squared orc rectum, there is 2.8 times 10 to the negative 14 squared tech rectum. Now, the step 3 is just kind of an additional step if you want to check your work. So what we have is orc retum is a smaller prefix than tech retum. So we're going from a smaller prefix to a larger prefix. Therefore, our exponent's power should be less than what we start with. And since it's squared, it's going to be a lot less. And so 2.8 times 10 negative 14, negative 14 is a lot less than 10. Now, I've walked you through one type of example. Now I'd like for you to work on a few practice examples. So I'd like for you to stop the video or pause the video, work on these for a few minutes, and then start the video again, and I'll post the answers to these questions. So in addition to the other two units we used on the previous slide, now we have the Zeto-Retum equality as well. So after working out through each one of these problems, in the first one, we're going from orc retum to Zeto retum. And since orc retum is a larger prefix than Zeto retum, we're going from a large prefix to a small prefix, so our exponent's power should be greater than 4. And in fact, it is 3.7 times 10 to the 8th Zeto retum. In the next one, we're going from Zeto retum cube to tech retum cube. And Zeto is smaller than tech, so therefore we're going from a small prefix to a large prefix. Our exponent's power should decrease in our final answer. And in fact, when you work this out, you get 7.7 times 10 to the negative 25 tech retum cubed. So I hope this video was informative and for you and helped you understand kind of the mechanics in doing a conversion involving units with prefixes. If you liked the video or found it useful, hit the like button. And until next time, Rowdy Chemist Jr. signing off.